Mankind was born of a single pair of human beings, Adam and Eve. This signifies that no person is superior to the other as a human being. All are equal and hence deserve equal respect. Color, creed, and clan may distinguish one from the other, but it must never be a basis of regarding someone to be of a higher status. Alas, we do forget this basic premise and not only engage in demeaning and belittling one race from the other, but also in creating permanent class-based boundaries that cannot be crossed. Some people are born and destined to remain inferior human beings in this inhuman division, and others are born and destined to remain superior human beings in this categorization. Color and ethnic divides have become a basis of classification and of preeminence. We need to come out of this unjust typology and once again reconnect to the basic message, and that is, all human beings are equal and are the progeny of one man and one woman. Let us consider ourselves to be citizens of the globe and inhabitants of the same planet. Let us feel for our global fraternity in much the same way we feel for our family, clan, and countrymen. Geographical boundaries should be meaningless to us in this matter because to feel for others should be regardless of our coordinates on this planet. Sympathy and compassion should cross boundaries and surmount peaks. Color, race, and lineage should become immaterial for them. Let us live and behave as one big happy family, the humankind family.